Dude, he's fucking moving.
Oh God! Stop it!
You're such a dink. Go! I wouldn't do that. It's in your face plant. He's all nasty. Look at that.
Nice.
Good thing you changed your clothes, Ash.
I had to wear skinny jeans to come outside and play in the snow.
Bammy sent us a picture of her in a t-shirt having lunch yesterday, and here you are in a tank top sledding down a hill, you freak.
Yeah, he is. Do it, Zach. You can't hit her in the legs.
I guess there's the
That's the spot
to start from.
Yep. Where's everybody else? Nobody else wants to sled?
What do you think?
That's a good one. You got your phone in your pocket, you know. Okay, just be careful with it.
Yeah, otherwise all that money you saved up for a four-wheeler, you're buying yourself a new phone. But you can tell me how much money you have for a four-wheeler now?
$570.
Oh, it's 70 now? I thought it was 550 last night.
I gave her allowance today.
Oh.
No, my butt's gonna wet. Is that it?
Nope.
Yeah!